All right, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Beyond the Clippers.
Is that they think that black wealth is about 80% that of whites.
Wow. And that just goes to show how real white privilege is. White people have no idea how impoverished black people really are. And part of that is also because black people make a strong effort to dress well,
Yes.
wear nice clothes, drive nice cars. And because of that, it gives off the impression that, we may have more than we really do.
Yeah, image.
Yeah, it's really important, and that goes back to, I think, slavery.
Image and image and presentation. At that time, the median household of black people net worth was like $5,700.
Wow, as opposed to what was the white?
So the white was $143,600. It was 21,420 for Hispanic households. So that is a major gap between black and white America.
Yeah, we're both college graduates, so we definitely support education and higher education.
Yes.
The problem with that is to what you said, when we go to college, we go to school, we come out, we try to get a good job. A lot of companies back in that time, between the late 1983 to 2013, black people struggled a lot with getting equal pay. I know black women still struggle with that now, getting paid the same as a white male.
Yes.
So when we look at the industry of work in corporate America,
Yes.
we still are paid fairly a lot less than the average white male.
The goal should be to bring in more income. If you in debt, try to bring in more income. And I'm not talking about going out there, busting your tail and working like crazy. I'm talking about bringing in some type of passive income. If you're going to create debt, create good debt. Use that good debt to make you money.
Like a home.
Right. Or or an investment property. Yeah. A lot of us, like I said, we're so focused on what stuff look like. We're so focused on trying to drive the nice car, so focused on trying to have the big house, but we end up, with paycheck to paycheck.
Because we want to hear from you. Call us, email us at beyondtheclippers.com.
Yes.
Email beyondtheclippers2019@gmail.com. But we definitely want to hear from you on your thoughts. And a lot of you guys have our personal information. So
yes,
let us know so we can come back to this later.
Most definitely. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and continue to support our podcast. Keep in mind, we are not experts.
Not experts. Do your own research. Bye.
Peace.